What the?
We got microfibers. On you? Back this way. You gotta get moving. It's not even on, is it? No.
Dude.
Push in. Yeah, you can. You can tell when it's on.
Makes all the right noises.
It does. It does. Thank you.
God, this thing drives like a dream.
It does. Thank you. Oh, guys, what the hell you got in there? It's a 4-cylinder turbo. He goes, no, it ain't. I was like, all right, I guess it's not.
All right, see you later.
Yeah, have a good day. He's like, no, it ain't. It's got to be a V8. I was like, all right, buddy, if you say so. We'll make a third. Yeah, no, my neighbors love me. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You got limiter. You got limiter. That's impressive.
Not good. That's scary, dude.
Impressive.
All right, so we just went down, I think the south side of the Foothills Parkway. It is so blasphemous revving an STI motor to anything past 7 scares me. I love it though. It feels excellent.
Let's do it again.
Thank you, Wes. All right, I'll do it as soon as it gets a second.
Is it 100?
Yeah, I was about 95. Yeah.
This squawk's kind of gnarly, so I hit it at an angle. Out of fun.
Behind a Subaru.
Out of fun. Do it. Actually, don't. Please don't. It's such a bad idea.
Definitely don't buy it.
Well, no, I had a great time driving your car, dude. I appreciate it. I think the craziest thing is the way you can rev that thing, though.
Yeah.
That's like, it's just not definitely a party trick. You're like, oh yeah, dude, 8,300. Wow. I hit limiter.
Yeah, you did. That was funny.
I felt like I either owed you a motor or something.
All right, so it's 8 in the morning. We're done with our first leg of the trip. We are driving from Fontana, North Carolina, through the tail of the dragon for the last time this trip to Rustburg, Virginia for the next shoot with Driver Motorsports. So we are gonna knock out these 11 miles and tons of turns with the fully packed Tahoe and start cracking away at the trip. So
That sounded so depressing.
it honestly
Oh my
was.
god, dude. Child has lost his toy.
Chris before 9 a.m. Why don't you put your window down? Open the door yourself.
Because you can't do it in this car because it's a piece of junk.
What do you mean, dude? This door card's just gotta get filled back out with the speakers and stuff.
You guys should totally kiss through the mask. Let me get some tongue. Get me some tongue. Oh yeah. I don't get a kiss. See ya. All right, Chris.
Now the trip can finally start. God, dude, finally.
We dropped off some baggage.
Ball and chain is no longer. Damn, bro.
Do you have a key?
Yeah. Luckily, we're in a hotel, so they have others. It's pretty sick.
All right, quick, get going.
All right, guys, we just got to, I believe, some type of Smoky Mountain Trail. I'm not too sure yet. What happened?
This is the first trail I've been to where it goes down. I'm hiking, I'm going up. I don't get it.
Yeah, it's not ideal.
I don't get it. Come on. 6 feet, please.
All right. Got it.
6 feet.
Got it.
See this mark right here?
Yeah.
There's a bigger walking stick around here somewhere.
Should that sound from like a bicycle or something?
No, it's about 8 foot. Yeah, there's just something about these woods. It brings you liberty, you know? It's like I remembered it.
All right, you want to go back to the room and get some food maybe or something?
No, I need me a latte.
A latte?
Double blood latte.
Oh. There you go. All right, guys, we're pulling up to Driver Motorsports right now. It's the 5th day of our trip. Today is the first day of our shoot with Driver and Floyd for his R32 build. So we are just gonna park up and yeah, go figure out a few logistic things with them. Cooler for what, dude? Are you really complaining again? No, I'm
So we
kidding.
keep our drinks not boiling temperature?
Not boiling hot. All right, guys, so we're here at Driver Motorsports. We have taken a look around at the property. We've seen the engine and head that we're gonna be doing a few shots of. This project is for like a little mini documentary, so a lot of it is B-roll that we are capturing today, as far as the actual buildings, the cars that are here, the people that work here. So we're gonna knock that out real quick. I gotta give Mac a few pep talks because he just is non-stop complaining back to back all day. Just kidding. Everyone's doing great and everyone feels good. I wore pants today. And I was really hoping that it wasn't gonna be as hot as Florida.
Can you expose your deep dark secret about pants?
So here's my deep dark secret about pants. The first time I meet anybody new, I like to have pants on because for me, it's more professional. I don't know if they're a CEO or if they're Billy Bob. Somebody might interpret me differently with pants. Also, 90% of the reason is because I feel like my legs are skinny and I feel like I have chicken legs.
Expose him.
It took us a while to figure out what era was on it.
Yeah, what?
It's some BN limited edition that I can tell rear, because I still can't find it like on their website, so I don't know if it's discontinued or what. But N1 block,
Okay.
N1 pistons. I believe it has some cams, Tomei head gasket, ARP head studs, and believe it or not, this is still running a chipped ECU from Japan.
And this kind of stuff, you're just
This is we're selling on consignment.
Oh, okay, cool, yeah.
Yeah, so there's a local guy, he went to school at Liberty.
This is daily.
Yeah, it was his daily.
No
like,
way. He went to Liberty?
A college kid, yeah, and we're going to sell it on consignment. We had to go take it up to McLaren, the dealership, and get a gauge cluster put in it because the graphics processor failed.
Oh, really? So it's just like sporadic.
Yeah, $7,800 gauge cluster later.
Yikes.
Yeah. This is his head, so we could probably get some beauties of that. If you want, I can put it on like that table or something. This is an engine we're working on for a customer currently. We're almost finished putting that together.
Yeah, let's get all this stuff.
Yep. This
All this stuff.
This is a Nitto 2.8.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Like an RV.
Definitely doesn't look like an RV. There's like these coils that like kind of sit on the valley, on the
They
valley.
built into the valley.
Yeah, and it's just like, it's so clean. It was.
Here's my toy. This is my entire.
This is the GTO.
Yeah, this is my GTA.
Yeah.
Oh, this is like Swampson.
And then his customer's car, and this is an open-air car. That's the one I rode on the Street Outlaws a couple weeks ago. And you can see
He
it's
made
got,
the fuel rails and the intake.
it's got twin 94s on it.
Oh, twin 94.
We're trying to get it. I wanted to fire it up the other week, but I had to go run that. So we'll get it done and go play with it.
The other one is more like.
Time for which glasses? Oh, God, the young Spudnik glasses. So it's the day 2 of Driver Motorsports shoot here in Virginia. Lost a couple clips from yesterday on the GoPro. So all we have is the kind of behind the scenes style stuff. But yeah, we had a ton of success yesterday. We met all the guys, really cool guys. We got everything we needed, and now today we're just doing a small little filming session with some fabricating on an oil pan. We are gonna stay the next couple days and continue to edit and everything. Our hotel just lost its electricity, so we're trying to figure out if we want to stay there or, yeah, all in due time. Big safety guy. The glasses for Corona or what?
No, motorsport. We're at Driver Motorsports, filming some stuff. Actually, Floyd's getting his oil pan dripped up and draped. Yeah, I'm into safety.
Sweet dog, dude.
Hey guys, stay safe, man. Protection. Always gotta stay protected. Do not disturb.
All right, guys, so I think I successfully talked Ed into doing a burnout. I think we're just gonna pop a fuse and then let her sing. I'm a little concerned about
keeping all this as clean as it is, but other than that, I think we're good to rip, dude.
It'll be fine. We've already taken some tail pictures.
Okay, good. We have to do tests. We have to do R&D.
I mean, if it's gonna break, we'd rather it break on us than the customer.
Exactly.
We cannot leave without some type of burnout, some type of action. Great place, love the guys, everyone's nice, but that only goes so far. I need some smoke or something. Yeah, we're gonna hit it. We're gonna judge him 1 out of 10, and we're gonna add up his score and figure out how it goes.
It's still bright out here. Yeah. Even with sunglasses. What am I doing?
Helmet?
Oh no. It doesn't have a roll cage, so I'm not really worried about it, you know. I'm just gonna do a little preemptive, hopefully makes this isn't as miserable later. Okay.
Good man.
I love getting paid to do burnouts. It's probably my favorite part of this job. It's the 4th burnout I've gotten paid to do.
Burnout man.
Like, who doesn't love to do a burnout? Especially in a single turbo R32 GTR that we made rear wheel drive. Alright, we're back to all wheel drive now.
Just a simple mod.
Simple mod, yep.
Thank you to you guys for having us out here. Yeah, man. We're on part 1 of Floyd's build series, documentary, whatever we want to call it, but we got a ton of awesome footage. Can't wait to work with you guys in the future.
Great tail car.
Yeah. Got you, man.
Nice.
Got something in your shoe?
Yeah. Quick rock in the shoe. What a good 2 days. We met an awesome group of guys that we never really knew before. Into the same things, same type of mentality. We met Jason over at Kowalski Machine. Hugely impressed by what they do at this small shop. Relates a lot to the guys and the builds that we see over at Driver Motorsports Park. So we'll definitely be talking to him for sure in the future. Really appreciative of everyone at Driver here. And now we have a couple days to go film some stuff. And after that, we're going to be heading to Ultra 4 in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee with the RTR guys. And Preston, a lot of these guys know Preston, he's local. So, all in the family. Let's run it.
What'd you say? You're doing a burnout
Transition
in
in, out. Yeah, that's it for today, pretty much.